everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I am going to do a unbagging of my IPSY GLAM bag for the month of July. This is my paid bag. I did the PR bag already in the beginning of the month. If you guys want to see what I got in the PR glam bag for July, I'll link it down below in the description if you guys are curious to see. But this is the one that I paid for, and let's see what I got. Before we get into the box, I just want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. Welcome, my name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel. I do makeup subscription boxes, makeup haul, mystery bundles, mystery boxes, makeup hauls. Majority of everything pretty much is makeup related. So if you like makeup like me, then I would say subscribe to your girl's channel, show your girl some love. If you're on my channel right now, that means you like watching makeup subscription unboxing. So then you might as well just subscribe so you know when I film my next makeup mystery box or makeup subscription box. If you guys want to know what's in this IPSY bag, I'm about to unbox it for you guys, so just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so this is what the IPSY GLAM bags come. I want to say, did they used to come in boxes and then they started putting them in here? Not too sure, I don't remember, but they're in these now, the plastic kind of bags. And let's see what I got. So, I did get the brushes last time around, but I just love brushes, so I got them again. And in my for June, I got brushes in my PR, and then I got the brushes in my toys just because I just love brushes. So I always get brushes. If you're my subscriber, then you know I love brushes, so I'm always gonna pick the brushes. Will always be my first choice. So I'll show you guys what the brushes look like. If you already saw my unboxing previously, then you'll already know what they look like. But if somebody didn't see my PR unboxing, I'm gonna show you again. So I thought the brushes was really cool. Like, look how cool these brushes are. Now, the theme was Stay Golden. So I felt like everything was in theme, like gold or like summer themed. This was the bag here. Sorry, I forgot to show you the bag. But I use the brushes. I have them currently in my makeup room, beauty room, whatever you want to call it, on my vanity. So, and I use them and I love them. The brushes were very soft. So love. So I'm happy I have like dupes of those brushes. So this was my choice. So you get to pick 3 things out of the 5 out of your bag, which I think is great. So that's why like these. This bag in particular is awesome because it's like, you can't really say you don't like it. You chose 3 items out of the, like, your whole box. And they picked 2 for you. Alrighty, so what's this? This is, oh, wow. We fancy over here. I got another 111 Skin Serum. My 111 Skin Serum collection is getting really big. I have like, I want to say like 4 of their serums already. So this is like my 5th one that I'm getting. This definitely wasn't my choice because I never choose skincare. Would I have preferred to get a skincare item? No, but if I am going to get it, I want it to be 111 Skin because this stuff is expensive and supposedly really good. So I can add this to my collection. Look at this bad boy. I like their packaging. Like, the packaging is so cute. I'm here for the packaging. This is cute. With the chrome. Did we get a card with the prices? We did get a card, but does it have prices on here? No prices. It tells you that the Glam Bag X on the back. It tells you that it's going to be with Hazley. I hope I said her name right. So I'm excited for that box. But so far, I'm happy. I am happy with my 2 items that I got so far. The next thing I got is a Il Makiage waterproof liquid eyeliner. I want to say, I think I got this in my PR box. I don't think I tried it yet, but since I have to, I'll just try it. Let's see here. Ooh, I love a nice dark jet black liner. This is awesome. I love this. That's what I'm talking about, Il Makiage. You showed them. Because normally when you have a liquid liner, I don't like when it's like light. Like I want it to be like a dark jet black liquid liner. So this is amazing. I can't wait to try this out. The next thing I got is a Tarte Jelly Glaze Lip Mask in Toasted Coconut. I love the smell of coconuts. So excited for that. This is what it looks like. There you go. Let me see. I love the smell of coconut. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like coconut. And it's like pink. It's kind of pinky. If you guys could see. Very excited for that. Very, very, very excited for that. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me, but I've just been loving like, and not to sound biased, but like BoxyCharm used to be like my favorite makeup subscription, but and not that I get IPSY PR now. Like I just, you guys can see it for yourself. Like I just love like I feel like since things changed, I don't know. Like I just love everything that I've been getting from IPSY. Like they did like a whole 180, and now like IPSY's on a ball program, and BoxyCharm is falling off. So I don't know what's going on with them, but I hope they get stuff together, or IPSY's just gonna take all of their subscribers, all the and all the BoxyCharm makeup subscribers gonna go over to IPSY, because like I don't know. I've been loving like my boxes. I've been loving everything. I'm a brow girl, so I got a brow tint. What color is this? Does it say what color? Oh no, I got a taupe. Oh, it says dark, but look at how light it looks on a cap, but it says it's dark. The color says dark. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but it says dark right there in the corner. So let's see here. Oh, it is actually dark. So I guess you can't go by like the actual top. It is dark, so I definitely can wear that. For my brows, set down them brows. So let's see here. The majority of my box was makeup, so I'm happy about that. But like I said, you can't really be mad about this box because you picked 3 out of the 5 items. So I got makeup brushes, I got a liquid liner, I got a brow gel, I got a lip mask, and a 111 skin serum. Super happy. Good job, IPSY. Good job, IPSY. I don't rate my PR bags or box just because they don't let you pick anything. They just send you like whatever. So I feel like in fairness, you can't rate something that you didn't get a chance to pick. Because how are they supposed to know like what you like? They just, I guess they randomly just pick stuff and put it and ship them off to, you know, YouTubers who get PR. But since I got to pick everything, I would give this a 9 out of 10 just because like I'm salty. Sometimes I don't like getting skincare, but like I said, I'm still, if I am gonna get skincare, I'm happy that I got this. But like in my survey that I took with IPSY, I said that I don't like getting skincare at all. Like, but this, if I'm gonna have some skincare, I'd rather make it be some good skincare, right? So excited to try this out. I'm super happy with my box for the month of July. That's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked my video, you like my content, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Give me a like, give me a comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Thank you guys so much. Love and miss you guys. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.